In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Hazim Zohor, a student of Rango International School, and today's my topic is about a thing that is shaping the future, that is artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is rapidly transforming industries in everyday life. This presentation explores its varied aspects, from understanding its basics to envisioning its future impact. So let's start. First, we will discuss what is artificial intelligence. The definition is AI simulates human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks. If we now think about learning mechanisms, AI systems learn from data that improve their performances over time. Now capabilities. AI can analyze, understand language and recognize patterns. The history and evolution of AI. The early concepts, the expansion and the modern era. The AI ideas emerged in the 1950s, proposing intelligent machines. The term AI was first used in 1956 by an American computer scientist, John McCarthy, who is nowadays coined as the father of AI. The expansion. In the 1980s, neural networks sparked renewed interest and investment. Nowadays, in the modern era, recent advancements in computing power revolutionized AI capabilities. AI techniques and algorithms, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. The machine learning. AI utilizes data to improve performance key in various applications. The deep learning involves neural networks with many layers, excelling in image and speech recognition. The natural language processing enables machines to understand and generate human language, enhancing interaction. The application of AI in various industries. Nowadays, AI is used in many industries. Some of them are manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation. In the manufacturing field, AI optimizes supply chain and automates production and enables predictive maintenance. In the healthcare, AI aids in diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. In the transportation field, AI powers self-driving technologies and improves traffic management. The impact of AI on society. Automation of jobs. AI can replace repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency, but it can cause job displacement. The social interaction. AI tools enhance communication and accessibility in everyday life. The decision making. AI aids data-driven decisions across sectors, impacting business and individuals. Ethical considerations in AI development, bias in AI, privacy concerns, and accountability. AI systems can perpetuate existing biases in training data, affecting outcomes. Privacy concerns. AI technologies often require personal data, raising some of the privacy issues. Accountability. Determining responsibility in AI decisions is critical for ethical use. Challenges and limitations of AI. Data deficiency. AI requires vast amount of quality data for effective learning. Resource intensive. Developing AI systems needs significant computational resources and expertise. Generalization. AI can struggle to apply learned knowledge in unfamiliar situations. Now we are going to discuss an important point, the future of artificial intelligence. As I already told in the beginning, it is shaping the future. Now we will see what will AI be in the upcoming years. First is continued advancements. Expect a breakthrough in areas like quantum computing and explainable AI. Social interaction. AI will increase embedded in everyday decision-making process. And the global challenge. AI will tackle critical global issues such as climate change, etc. Thank you for your attention. Let's embrace the future of AI together.